Who is that? Oh yeah, that's Nina. So I tried this new technique and I did underpainting. So I want to show you guys how I did it. Okay, let's do it. So I seen this girl on TikTok and she did this thing where she did underpainting, which was like kind of like doing your makeup backwards. So I said I want to try it. So I decided to record it for you guys. So first things first, I did start off with a lip plumping lip gloss to get my lips extra luscious. And then for the primer, today I'm going to be using the One Size primer. And this one, I love this primer because it just blocks out all of the oils. And now we're going to start with the contouring. So remember, we're underpainting, so we're doing it, backwards. So I started off contouring, and of course I am using my Fenty foundation in the shade 370. And I'm going to pretty much do my contour placement where I would normally do my placement. So I'm just getting under my cheekbone and also my chin area and then my forehead outline area. Then I am going to go in with my Juvia's Place, the dual palette, and I am going to put that over my contour powder foundation because that's what I would normally do. And honestly, instead of using a bronzer, I really like to use this as my bronzer, to be quite honest with you. And my face might look a little ashy, y'all, but that's because of this primer. This primer, when I tell you, it really takes out all of the oils. It definitely does. Now I am going to go in with my orange cream blush, and I am going to pretty much put it where my blush placement would go. At first, this technique, I was like, it's a little different, right? But when I tell you I loved it, everything just looks so seamless, and you're using less product, and I love that. It's not gonna look cakey, and I feel like everything just ended up blending in so nicely. Look at that. Look at how the blush look. And I don't know, I just really love it, and I honestly might start doing my makeup like this from now on. Now that I'm done with the blush, I am going to put down my concealer, and of course I am using the Born This Way in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to put my concealer where I would normally put my concealer. So all of this, it's pretty much, you're not using that much foundation, less product, and it just looks more natural. And it's honestly it's like a seamless look, and I love that. Instead of using my powder foundation today, I am going to use my NARS foundation in the shade Macau, and I am going to put it where I didn't put anything else, so pretty much where my foundation is left to go. So where you see me putting it is pretty much the placement for it. So just right there in my cheeks, under the contour, and then around my mouth area, and also my forehead, just that little part. And yeah guys, it's literally a great way to do your makeup because you're not using that much product, and that means that your face is not going to look as cakey, and it's not going to look like you have a lot of makeup on. It's literally going to look more like skin. I feel like it definitely gives you a nice skin finish, so I do love that about this technique. Look at just how well it's just blending in so seamlessly. I really do love it. And my eyebrows, guys, I think I should make an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. So now I'm just using my Juvia's dual palette just to contour my nose area, and then just to go over my contour one more time, just so there's no separation and everything just blends more seamlessly. Now I'm just going to spray my concealer brush with my setting spray because I like to do that before blending it out. Now I'm just blending out my concealer, and I've told you guys this once before, and I'm gonna tell you again, this is my favorite part of doing my makeup, is blending out my concealer. What's your favorite part when you do your makeup? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And also, if you guys haven't already, what are you waiting for? You know what I'm gonna say. Like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Just look how beautiful this looks. Tell me this does not look like my skin. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. I feel like it just blended out so beautifully and it just looks so nice. And look at that. There's no separation. Everything is just literally blended. I don't know. This might be my new thing. Comment below if you like this technique. Now it's time to set the liquids, so I am going to be setting the areas that I concealed, and I'm going to be using my one size pressed powder, and I'm going to be using that to pretty much set the areas that I did conceal, which is under my eyes, and I'm just going to wipe the powder puff like on my nose a little bit and under my nose and stuff like that. But yeah, I really do love using this pressed powder. I've been using it for quite some time now, and I do love it. Now what you see me doing is just setting the areas that I did put the foundation on as well too. So we're just setting all the liquids right now. And I've been using this powder for quite some time as well. But y'all, the jar is so big that there's still so much product in there. And I feel like because I only use like a light amount, it's been lasting me. When I tell you I had this powder for probably 2-3 years now. I had it for about 2-3 years now. And I still got it, and there's still more left in there. I am definitely open to trying another powder though. If you guys have something in mind, definitely let me know. And what you guys see me doing now is just setting my blush as well, being that we did use a cream blush. I am using the Juvia's Place dual palette for the blush, and I'm just setting it with the orange. And now it's time for the lips, which is another one of my faves. I love doing a nice lip combo. And to set my face today, we're going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And y'all, this is it. This is the finished look. You see how easy, so simple, so seamless, so beautiful. I love it. And it looks so natural. Tell me this is not my skin. Now I'm just adding a top coat for my lips. I use the OG MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and I just put a little nice pink nude in the middle, and then a nice pink gloss on top. And y'all, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to roll out. I love it. Alright, if you guys love it too, leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know. Alright, y'all. It was really, really nice making this video for you guys, and I hope to catch you on my next one. Make sure you guys put your post notification bell on. That way you guys know when I do post again. And I can't wait to vibe out again. Bye.